Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zendrop to import products into Shopify step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Zendrop website. Click on the login button located in the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field provided. Click the login button to access your Zendrop account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the product section. Click on Import to start adding products to your Shopify store. You will see a search bar where you can find products to import. Type in the product name or keywords relevant to your search. Browse through the search results to find the products you want. Click on the product you wish to import for more details. Ensure that the product meets your specifications and requirements. Select any additional options or variants offered for that product. Click the Import to Shopify button to begin the process. Confirm the import settings and select your Shopify store if prompted. Allow the import process to finish. Once done, return to your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Products section in your Shopify account. Check to see if the imported products are listed there. You have successfully logged into Zendrop and imported products into Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.